Let me show you really quickly how to use Windows Dictation with Inspiration. First of all, open Inspiration 11 and start a new diagram. It'll launch with the main idea bubble ready to go. Just click to rename it as you want. Feel free to change the theme or colour to suit your style. Then turn on Rapid Fire for a real hands-free experience. Now here's the magic. Press Windows and H to activate Windows Dictate. You'll see the dictation bar pop up at the top. Start speaking and watch your map unfold and your ideas come to life. Introduction. Press Enter. Main text. Press Enter. Conclusion. Press Enter. So you can see how fast and easy that is. Why don't you have a go? We'd love to see some of your creations.